So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Vancoin, its price prediction and its major intellectual listing because right now Vancoin chart is also going upward here and you can see last 30 days performance is not good, but right now as entire market is looking bullish, so it's also possible that we can see Vancoin to go upward here and we can see massive return from this meme coin soon because you can see last 30 days down by almost 26%, but last 14 days down by 19%, and last 7 days down by almost 5%. So there's no massive pump in Vancoin price since last 30 days, but I can see friends already market cap is $110 million. So this meme coin has potential to be the next Bobcat, can be the next listing for Binance Exchange also friends, because it's an other Solana ecosystem Cat3 meme coin. I think maybe we can see its listing on major central exchanges including Binance soon. So video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. So friends, fan current price 0.3 times $0.15. Okay, coin has currently three zeros in its price, $110 million market cap. We cannot say this is low cap meme coin, but because this is a potential strong meme coin, so I think in next year mega bullion, if this meme coin can gain the market cap of $10 billion or maybe more, then this meme coin can be the next 100x meme coin from here also. So still we can say it's a low cap meme coin, $33.8 million trading volume last 24 hours. So this is awesome friends, huge trading volume for this meme coin. This is good, and 727 billion coin supply almost all in circulation. You can see this meme coin, okay, frictional NFTs and the NFT-Fi, Cathy meme coin, and Solana ecosystem. We are only 70% down the install time high the 8 months ago and 800% up the install time low, and coin has already killed 1 0 since its launching. So performance from this meme coin is good. KuCoin has listed, Get.io has listed, Bybit has listed, MEXC has listed, and friends, you can see Kraken Exchange has listed this meme coin. So this is awesome. That's the reason. That's why I'm very bullish about this meme coin. That we can see is Binance listing, Coinbase Exchange listing also, because Kraken mostly no list meme coins. Okay, just like a Coinbase, okay, these both exchanges no don't like meme coin listing, but as Vancoin is listing on Kraken exchange, so it means there's something that very special about this meme coin, and that's the reason. That's why we can see Binance listing also maybe in coming few weeks or in coming few months, where we can see Vancoin on Binance definitely. After 60, 247,000 holders for this meme coin. This is awesome. 257,000 holders already. So this is good. And these are the top wallets. They are holding this meme coins. Okay. And you can check out here. These are the top holder of the Van coin. Friends, Bybit has high supply of this meme coin. Okay, Bybit holding highest of a supply, that's 12%. Okay, so 12% Van coin is holding by Bybit, and its second number holders is Gate.io exchange, where is 6% holding, and third wallet has 3% of supply. KuCoin also has 3% supply. Bitgate exchange has 3% of supply. MEX exchange has also 3% of supply. So mostly this meme coin is on central exchanges. Okay, central exchanges holding high supply of van coin, so this is we can say good. My price prediction about this meme coin is I already told you that this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap, and definitely listing for the Binance exchange also. So from just $110 million market cap to maybe $10 billion market cap for Vancoin. But friends, it's my own price prediction, it can be true or not also. So if not make investment in this meme coin, make sure to do your own research and then invest here, because I'm not your financial advisor. What do you think? What's your price prediction about this meme coin? Do you think still this meme coin has 100x potential and this meme coin can give us up to $10 billion market cap, or now? You can must comment down below.